I was the one who built this from scratch to where it is now. And I'll be damned if she come in and take the glory for all of my hard work.
But boss, maybe we should give her a little more time in the seat, you know, and
What?
just...
With her blatantly declaring that she want my position?
So, don't you have anything in writing that speaks to her length of stay in the position?
Of course. But she turned the people against me. I told her that my sabbatical would be up to campaigning time. And then I'll take back the seat closer to the election.
So just wait until election time. It's just a few more months.
You clearly don't know who Maxine Grant is. You know, hear me say this woman has rallied the party against me. I'll have them sign a petition.
To keep you on sabbatical?
And them sign it. Them claims that she'll make positive changes to the party.
Well, in all fairness, she has.
So you're sold on the bullshit too. Those are all some quick fixes, you know. When I come like crackhead, I am a long-term thinker.
Minister, I've always trusted your judgment, but to be honest, in recent times I've been making some questionable calls.
Sell me a Pepsi. Matter of fact, pull aside here for me, please.
For what?
That ain't really none of your business. I work here. Open your open door and stop the back of arguments.
Well, no work now going on there, so you know in a sense I come around there.
That's your first mistake. You the bartender, and you worrying about the work I go on around the back. If I open the gate and serve bar, that's it, and stop worrying about what me I do around there. You know you're really holding my time, young lady. You know the boss told me to go around there, clean up around this, and I'll time you I waste. Hey, pull the gate and stop waste time now. Hey.
On a weekend, nobody not even get here much as for eat and go work.
It seems I have people around me who have lost confidence in my ability to lead and have decided to move against me, including you.
Really, Minister? That's not true at all. I think people are just afraid of your reaction when faced with the truth.
Okay, Jonathan. Tell me the truth. Or your version of it.
I'd rather not.
No. Make a talk. Man to man. Tell me where I've been failing, Jonathan.
Okay. There's the handling of the SSL saga. And there is that monster known as crime and violence that just get well like a bad bull. And then there is the man who you helped to get out of prison who end up killing that innocent man in Sea Park. And then the whole agency issue. Those are some poor choices you have made in my estimation.
Thank you for your honesty, Jonathan.
I don't know, I can't get my Pepsi. I wonder who hired you as a bartender with some idlers there in Jamaica. Yo, can I get the Pepsi, please? Look how long me I beg you the Pepsi.
Here.
time me I run make you give me the Pepsi, excuse me.
You run with the last time, I'm not taking a check again. Pay me.
Seem like you just come back, you don't know what I'm going. Let me explain to you. Long time me I run a tab. Excuse me. Just add it to my bill.